Novant Health is very proud to sponsor, along with the Charlotte Checkers, Movember and really the issues around men's health.
I think it's a great way to bring awareness to three very key issues for men, whether it's mental health, prostate cancer, or testicular cancer, so that we as men can do what we need to do to take care of ourselves.
Biggest issue for me in relation to that is that when I grow this now, it's white. Now, that is a bit daunting, but it also means that as a male, I have to be more sensitive to my own screening.
When we think about men getting screening or being attached to a primary care provider, I think men often think that that's something that their spouses, girlfriends, sisters, mothers do in terms of preventative care. And I would also add men's mental health, which certainly we do see a lot of mental health issues in men.
75% of suicides are men. And so it's important for us to raise the awareness and remove the stigma so that men feel comfortable asking for help, because there are folks in the community, there are providers, there are services in our community for men to seek that help if they need it.
Anything that raises awareness for thinking about cancer. You know, when I was growing up, cancer was a word we never said. It was something that if somebody developed cancer, it was oftentimes kept secret, and we didn't have real awareness for screening and being more intentional about making certain that we caught things early.
For self-checks around testicular cancer, certainly just anything that feels abnormal, those are the kinds of things that we would just ask, again, people to not try to come up with a diagnosis, but really to reach out to the professionals in medicine to really help you navigate that.
What we've seen with breast cancer, which is also the case for prostate cancer, is that intentionality around screening and the opportunity to catch it early is very important, and in many cases can either mean that there can be successful surgery or that men can avoid surgery completely.
This is really just something that I think is important to me. I've had friends and family members that have had prostate cancer. So things that I think address and improve awareness around both prostate cancer, testicular cancer, and also men's mental health issues are critically important, and we just want to get the word out. So this is a fun way to do that.
We're oftentimes taking care of our families, but we also need to make sure that we take care of ourselves. And so in Movember, it brings great awareness to those, so I'd encourage you to go out and seek the support and screening that you need.